Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So I need to upload it again because I really want views. And your people was wondering why you look so weird because I turned to XX Mr. Wolf. So now I'm gonna to see if everybody hello, I am XX Mr. Wolf. Hello, I am XXX. Hello, I am XX Mr. Wolf. What is going on? What is going on? What is going on? Tell me, guys, what is going on? I'm just... Hello, I wonder, can I be bullies? Who? What the freak? What's happening? What the freak is this? DC? Oh my god, I remember. I never joined a clan. I never what the frick? Oh, I need to blur that out. I need to blur that out because I don't know. I need to blur that out. It might be their own. Oh my god, I'm not gonna say it. Okay, guys. What is going on? What is going on? Assassin caught a decibel member clown. A few stupid bread. What the freak does that even supposed to mean? This is just so randomly funny. Lake. Oh my god, what the freak? Lake. What the freak are they freaking? What the freak are they freaking saying about? What the freak are they saying? Lake. What the Yeah, I'm not gonna join that game anymore. I'm just gonna make my own game. What the Join random. I don't want to join some. The freak. Phoenix? What's Phoenix? Oh yeah, I remember this, dude. I remember this. Who wants the Bokeh Hotel? I'm just gonna add some... Wait, did they add new food? Roar? What the freak is roar? Wait. Whoa. Welcome to my new town. How can I need to find the main menu? Yo! Oh my god, this can be a end our game. Whatever they call it. Yo. I'm gonna cook. Wait. Let me cook. Other worker? Did these two. For some reasons. I don't know. I'm just gonna make this. I'm making this, dude. I'm cooking. Wait, guys, just save this. Pisco Phoenix. Pixel Phoenix. Save game. Bye-bye. How about... Oh my... Rebby. I can handle this. Add Home Freak. Oh my god. What type of goofy ad was that? What type of goofy ad? Anyway, guys, just one more save, then I'm done. Load save game. See if he gets Rudy's house. Stone Man. Hold on. Obby for Yin. Yin's. What the? Cave maze. Chocolate. A top at Hawaii. Oh, yeah, I forgot I made this. I used to play this with my friends. I used to make this for my friends, yeah. And I don't even have a house because, I don't know, but... wait. Don't we share the same house? Because there's a bunk bed. Oh my gosh, go explore some more. Yeah, I really like this view. As XX Mr. Wolf and my friend is Epic Blue Oxalado. This is too epic. Hey, actually, one more. Oh my god, those same games. Don't mind.